The main difference between a vegan and vegetarian diet is that vegans exclude dairy products and eggs. While both vegetarians and vegans do not eat meat, including beef, pork, poultry, fowl, game, animal seafood. Dietary vegans, also known as strict vegetarians, refrain from consuming meat, eggs, dairy products, and any other animal-derived substances. About 3% of Americans follow a vegan diet. Their reasons for veganism is different. Some vegans do it to improve their health, some of them do it because of ethical issues about animal cruelty and environment. What vegans eat? Vegans eat fruits and vegetables, for example, peas, beans, lentils, nuts and seeds. Bread, rice and pasta, soy milk, almond milk and coconut milk. Any kind of fruit, apple, banana, pear, oranges and others. Vegans do not eat any kind of animal products including sea animals, cheese, butter, milk, cream, ice cream, and other dairy products. Mayonnaise, because it includes egg yolks and honey. There is inconsistent evidence for vegan diets providing a protective effect against metabolic syndrome. Some evidence suggests that a vegan diet can help with weight loss, especially in the short term. Vegan diets tend to be higher in dietary fiber, magnesium, folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and phytochemicals, and lower in dietary energy, saturated fat, cholesterol, omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin D, calcium, zinc, and vitamin B12 and proteins. That's why well-balanced vegan diet is important to achieving and maintaining an optimal state of health. However, this nutritional approach, if not well-balanced, can cause deficiencies in proteins, 3 fatty acids, iron, vitamin D and calcium, zinc, iodine and vitamin B12. Oral food supplements, especially fortified foods, are recommended in these cases to restore the nutritional deficiencies. Vitamin B12 supplementation is important because its deficiency can cause blood disorders and potentially irreversible neurological damage. This danger is also one of the most common in poorly planned non-vegan diets. Health effects. Studies show that vegans have better heart health. Low body mass index, so most vegans are less obese than general population. Low cholesterol, and less likely to have high blood pressure. Vegans have lowered chance of getting diabetes and some kinds of cancer, especially cancers of the GI tract and the breast, ovaries, and uterus in women. If veganism affects life expectancy, it's controversial. According to some studies, it can lower any kind of mortality and vegans live longer, but according to some studies, these results are not confirmed.